very excited with how it turned out. I love the satin finish. I love the single pickup. I love the Gretsch pickup in it. Like tons of different kits. Check out Guitar Kit World.
So I finally finished my Guitar Kit World guitar. As you see, the headstock, I did my own take on the Gretsch logo.
The best thing about these kits is you can build a guitar that is uniquely your guitar, that has your art on it, and that's what I like about these guitars.
And this is from Guitar Kit World. As you can see, I'm very excited about it. These frets are kind of gold looking. That's kind of cool. There's their awesome little emblem there.
I've recently partnered with GuitarKitsWorld.com, and they sent me one of their guitar kits. Let's check this out. This kit features a mahogany blank, and all the pockets are routed out. And there's only a few things I have to do to the frets. And I'm really excited to see what we come up with.
You see, we have the neck all fastened to the body. So you wipe this on. Can you see the rust? See, here we go.
Okay, so here's my kit from Guitar Kit World. There's many ways that you could finish this: paint it, stain it, dye it, but I chose to dye it, and I chose to do it in an inexpensive way and with locally sourced products.
Guitar Kit World, send me this back up. Look, that's awesome. That's even better. You guys are all amazing. Thank you so much.